Hi everyone, my name is Chloe and I am a senior staff member of Chico State's orientation team. I've just graduated with my degree in communication design and an option in graphic design. We're so excited to see you for orientation this summer and want to make sure that you're prepared to have a successful start. So here are a few tips to be prepared. Number 1, pre-orientation online. Completing the 45-minute program online will help you be prepared for your orientation session. If you've not yet completed this program, please do so at least 2 days prior to orientation. You can find it on our homepage under Step 2 right here. Click this link and you will see something like this. Complete this program and you'll be ready to go for your orientation day. Number 2, submit your final transcripts to admissions by July 15th. You can do so at their website, csuchico.edu/admissions/. Number 3, support for parents and guests. We have support for parents and guests on our orientation website. If you scroll over summer orientation and click on parent and guest program, you'll get more information about this as well as an ongoing virtual webinar series for the summer. We also have resources in Spanish, so please click this link for more information. Number 4, are you considering changing your major? If so, it's not too late and you can do so via the admissions website. Number 5, Calculus Readiness Test. This applies for incoming first-year students. Are you planning on majoring in one of these majors? If you are one of these listed majors, make sure that you click on this link and complete the Calculus Readiness Test before orientation. Number 6, update your phone number in the Student Center. When you first log into your Student Center, you may be prompted with a page that looks like this. Make sure that you complete all required and highlighted in red information prior to signing up for classes so that you don't have any holds and can do so without any issues. Make sure that you include both a local and permanent phone number. They can be the same, but you must have both. Number 7, become familiar with Zoom. Virtual orientation will be delivered via a platform called Zoom. If you are unfamiliar with this program, visit our YouTube page, Chico State Orientation. You can find a video right here, how to use Zoom for orientation. Finally, number 8, the schedule of the day. If you go back to our orientation homepage, scroll down, come to summer orientation and first year or transfer, and then click on the orientation program, you can see the schedule of the day. A few days before orientation, you will receive an email that includes the specific links you will need to go at what time. Orientation will begin at 8:45 a.m. with a warm welcome from the university president. You will then be placed in a small group with other incoming students to learn about academics and receive academic advising on your fall classes. From 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., we will have a virtual information fair where departments from across the campus showcase their resources. You won't want to miss it. Following the fair, you will meet your major department faculty and then register for your classes. And just like that, you will be a registered college student at Chico State. Don't forget to connect to all of our social media accounts for the class of 2024 and 2022 on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even TikTok. We are looking forward to seeing you at virtual orientation this summer, and we can't wait for your first semester here. Go Wildcats!